Special dedication to newly diagnosed diabetics. I dedicate this to our loved ones who have been newly diagnosed with diabetes, to remind you that we really love you and you mean a lot to us. You are not alone and you will never be alone. It's not the end. Coming to terms with a diabetes diagnosis will feel different for everyone. I have carefully come up with tips that will help you deal with the new situation in your life. Let's go through them together. 1. Don't shy away from your emotions. Feeling anxious, depressed, confused, and overwhelmed by the results is normal when accepting and managing a new diagnosis of diabetes. Try to recognize your feelings, as acknowledging them is an important step in helping you deal with them. 2. Talk to people close to you. It can be beneficial to talk to people in similar situations to yourself, but sometimes the best advice and support you will receive is from your loved ones. Your loved ones and those close to you will be happy to support you in any way they can. Talk to them, have fun, and continue making more memories together. They will be happy to see you smile, and you will be amazed to see how you make their day great. 3. Take time for yourself. Taking care of your mental health, getting regular exercise, and adopting a healthy diabetic diet can all help not only your overall health but also help manage your diabetes. This can even help you to prevent you from getting diabetes distress. Exercise has been shown to help reduce stress, and simple mindfulness techniques like guided meditation can be very helpful in managing your emotions. 4. Take things at your own pace. In case you don't understand something concerning your health, healthcare providers and diabetes educators are there to help you. Be honest with them and ask for their advice on how to best handle the situation. It can take time to learn more about how to manage your diabetes, including making lifestyle changes, checking your blood sugar, and learning about diabetes medications, but with time you will know what's supposed to be done. 5. Talk to other people with diabetes. There are communication platforms available to people with all types of diabetes, including type 1 diabetes, type 2 diabetes, and gestational diabetes. There are groups on the social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, MeWe, Tumblr, and YouTube channels like this one, where people share their experiences and health progress and consult one another. Also, there are other national forums like the Diabetes Association of the UK and the American Diabetes Association. 6. Attend your diabetes appointments. Sometimes you may feel overwhelmed or sad but never find an excuse to miss any of your diabetes appointment. This will highly encourage you to embrace your situation and help you feel better. And believe me, you will live a normal life. 7. Know your financial rights. For example, for residents in the UK, diabetes and insulin prescriptions are free, although additional glucose meters or insulin pumps may incur a fee. However, you will need to have the proper documentation. In the United States, you should know your insurance well and be aware of any financial assistance that may be available to you. Try to source reliable information online to know what support is available to you. 8. Don't forget about your healthcare provider. Diabetes care teams are there to help you through tough times with diabetes. Although, unfortunately, not all patients receive the compassionate care they expect, there is no denying that there are many wonderful and knowledgeable healthcare providers out there. Remember that working with them will help you get the best out of their expertise. It will also help you to optimally manage your diabetes, including essential things like testing your blood glucose level. 9. Try to recognize when you are being given false information. Although many people may have good intentions, there are still a significant number of myths about diabetes. Inaccurate information such as, "You can't drive with diabetes," "People with diabetes can't consume any sugar," and "Type 2 diabetes is just mild diabetes," are just some of the myths surrounding people with diabetes. If something goes wrong, always consult your healthcare team or a qualified diabetes educator. Lastly, find support and use it when it's there. It can be comforting to know that support is available, but what good is it if you don't use it? Whether you choose to talk about how you're feeling or seek alternative help, including financial or physical support, taking advantage of the support available can be very valuable to both your health and your peace of mind. If you feel like you could use more support to cope with your diabetes diagnosis, congratulate yourself first. Realizing that you need help is the first step towards solving your problems. Again, we love you. I, the Guiding Shrink, will always be here with you to share health tips and guide you in any way I can. Please remember to subscribe and share with your loved ones so that we can spread love and care to everyone. Thanks for watching.